If I lived here, I'd spend my mornings sipping coffee and enjoying the serene view of the 1-acre landscape from my light-filled dining room. And in the evenings, I'd unwind with a book, soaking up the quiet surroundings from my covered back patio. This home is just 15 minutes from Tinker Air Force Base and about 25 minutes from downtown Oklahoma City. So you get that peaceful country living feel while still being close to all of the amenities that you need access to. Let's take a tour together.